I wanted to show you guys my outfit, what I wore to travel this morning. Jeans and this shirt. That's what I had on. I have on. And this guy's like, "Oh, baby, you're so hot." I'm like, "I better be hot because I just got off the stove." He looked at me. He just said, "You're so hot." I don't think he got it. I mean, like, what type of word is that you to compliment a woman, telling her that she's hot? Is it like a hot coffee or a hot tea? Like, there are so many other words you can use. So I'm like, I just got off the stove. So I'm like, I just got off the stove, so I better be hot. I better be hot. But guys, listen, like don't be lazy with your words when you're giving a woman a compliment. Like there's so many other words that you can use. Hot is just not one of them because we're not tea, we're not hot coffee, we're not hot chocolate. But yeah, guys, this is what I had on. I have on for flight. Oops. And then I'm wearing these boots. I have these boots on. See? I don't think you guys can see this. There you go. This is what I'm wearing. Kind of sexy. Like it? Yeah. I mean, I want to do like outfits, like what I'm wearing, what I wear of stuff. Oh, the closet is. Now you can't see anything. You can't see anything. Bye. COVID-19. Why? This is not what I expect.